shop to eat.
To buy this.
To eat. Then we're going na.
Yeah. Yeah, we go now because it's windy.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh,
We're going
they are
na.
not open yet. The chicken. The chicken peri peri.
Yeah, but we don't have choice.
Huh?
We go walk down there. Maybe we can find another.
No, there is the sausage.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the last day of our stay here in the couch. So it's time to go outside. The time now is going to 10 o'clock. So we will go out here at 11. So we have to take a breakfast first with something, but something it already. Look at our messy bed already because we make like that for easy the cleaner to remove from the bed. So get ready to go na. Nakapack na yung aming luggage. Yung luggage. Ayan. Mag-eat lang ako sa guys, muffin. Kasi wala kaming coffee dito. So, let's see where I can, well, since we came here guys, I haven't drink coffee. Kasi walang kettle dito. So, lumalabas kami dito sa couch namin, lunch time na. So, wala nang ganang uminom ng di ba, coffee. Supposed to be early. So, ngayon, before we go out from our couch, supposed to be drink coffee. So, there's a muffin there. So, syempre, wala kaming partner sa muffin, kundi water. Kasi malayo ang tindahan dito guys. So, maybe 5 to 10 minutes walk before you can reach that shop there. There's a one shop there. So, yeah. Na malapit sa loob ng compound ng caravan. So, actually, never mind kasi last din na namin today. When we go out here, we stop first in the town. Then when we are in town, we stay there until maybe until 2 o'clock. Yeah, until 2 o'clock. Then we take a bus again to go back. Take 2 bus kasi guys before we reach our not terminal, the train station. So medyo malayo kasi ang train station. So kasi mga 45 to 50 minutes drive. Kaya medyo malayo, almost 2 hours ang biyahe sa bus. Pero madali lang guys pag maganda kasi pag nasa bus ka kasi alam mo ba yung makikita mo yung view ng countryside. Countryside talaga ito guys kasi pero malapit sa mga beaches. May countryside kasi na bundok. Yeah, bundok lang. Field lang siya para makikita mo. Pero mostly talaga ay paikot ay dagat. Unlike sa London, building lang ang makikita mo. Mga anong tawag niyo? Kumbaga lake, ganun lang ang makikita mo dun sa London. So, okay na lang din once a year naka-holiday ka countryside, di ba? Kasi but we have planned with our friends guys. So next Saturday nga we're going for 2 nights. We're going in Edinburgh. Yeah, that's it. And back to work guys. Sad na naman sa trabaho. So ayan lang po guys. See you later. Our last day, my partner is in the toilet. Yan guys, ito yung yung field dito sa malapit sa inanuhan namin. Today is a cloudy na. So it's a Sunday. We're going to town again guys, to the beach. Kasi Sunday want to go to the beach. We didn't book the pool, so tomorrow we're leaving. I don't know what time. I don't know if we have time to go to the what do you call that? To the pool. To swim to the pool. We didn't try to the pool yet. Yeah, this is a pool. Andyan yung kulot ko. Let's go to the bus stop. So what is the problem? Countryside.
Nadaan kami dito. Andyan makikita yung ano yung mga yan yung fun fair, mga fair dyan. Hindi kami nagpunta dyan guys kasi sawa na si Sandrine dyan. What are you doing here?
We sit here
Huh? You say we go to the shop to eat.
to buy things.
To eat. Then we going na.
Yeah. Yeah, we go now because it's windy.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh,
We're going
they are
na.
not open yet. The chicken. The chicken peri peri.
Yeah, but we don't have choice.
Huh?
We go walk down there. Maybe we can find another.
No, there is the sausage roll.
We didn't go that place yet.
Go there yesterday. Okay. Let's go to the bus stop anyway. Wait, I want to see water. How can I get it now?
Where you put it?
Here. Here. I think I have small bottle.
It's too nice, guys. Just have the music.
Right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Oh my god.
This train, guys, going to straight to Waterloo East.
Welcome aboard this Southeastern service to London Charing Cross, calling at 1, Haddockswood, Tunbridge, London Bridge, Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross.
Come on.
Ano, natakpan ng ano guys, bench, bench, mga puno. Pag countryside, ito makikita mo sa ano, sa daanan mo sa train. Walang animals dito.
in Red Hill to see. I just didn't know if it was London. I think I'd be a bit more like, oh, let me see the group from like,
Animals
but I
inside
decided to
now.
know where I was coming from.
Check the animals.
Yeah, yeah, which is really nice. I will be with my boyfriend, but we'll be relatively new, so I think next year. Yeah, very fresh. And he was living in London. He was living in London. They obviously moved out. So now he's renting his house out.
We will shortly be arriving at Larder.
There's no animals. The sheep. Ito naman ibang station. Wow, look at the yellow ano na. I think it's for the cargo. Paddock wood. Paddock wood. Ah, I mean the ano darling. The 7 ox. It's a Ken 7 ox. Yeah.
3?
Yeah.
That's great. Thanks very much.
Welcome aboard the Southeastern Service to London Charing Cross, calling at Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, London Bridge, Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross.
What is your boyfriend do for work? Yeah.
You know, 7 ox is closer to ano, Waterloo. Just to a 3 stop.
We're here.
No. 7 ox. Waterloo is London Bridge 7 ox.